Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with dishes of ocean colors and sky colors that are left over and a canvas, and I think I'm just going to try do my best. I'm going to use some golden hour and some Anita's white metallic at the top and some of this Anita's white metallic that has some Venetian blue in it at the bottom. And then I'm going to grab, oh, that goes in the bucket, Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Put all of my colors right into that puddle. Should have started with the bottom one since my turntable seems to have a little bit of a cant that wants to go that way. So I will right now immediately turn this around. I think I've gotten just about everything I can get out of that for now. Yep, she definitely wants to tip that way. I better be fast. Maybe it's time for a new platform, because I think there's paint embedded underneath the legs. And it's making my life interesting. Alright, so I'm just going to tip this and see what I get. And I did grab a couple edge catchers. Let both of those go as far as they want. Tip them back again. Take my thumb hold and turn my edge catcher around. See if I can get them to keep right on going. So, what do I do now? Now, I use that yellow and this turquoise, although I think it's dark. I'm not sure what these are. These bottles aren't labeled, but a nice peacock from Decor Americana looks a lot like this. That is a pastel green metallic from Arteza. I think my sky is going to become outrageous. Because I can, sort of thing. If it even looks like a sky in the end, that'll be amazing. Let's just grab that paint and let it go down to the bottom. And a little swipe in there. Never hurt anybody. I'm definitely having an off day, but it doesn't mean I'm going to give up easily no matter what. It's water. I can put lines and reflections in there. Not that there's any of the sky colors in there yet, but there should be. Let's move this out of the way temporarily. Wow, I'm so sorry. My head was under there the whole time. So let's just do that again. Just drag the spatula right across. Use anything that's on the tile to cover the bottom edge. Or the end. I'm really interested in just playing right now. Playing with colors. All right, fresh edge catcher. Good idea. Oh, and there's two there. Let's take just one. That gap in between would be a great place to put my land. I'm going to camp this so I don't have to lose any of the edge of the bottom. And then come back here and see if I can get it to all go up over the top. Oh, my ocean's moving too. That's fine. I'll live. I may even get the two to meet each other. So back to putting lines in the ocean so it looks like an ocean. And I think I'm going to take my purple give myself a line of horizon, I think. We'll see. Challenged. And that's what I am today, challenged. I could probably leave a reflection of that land formation in the water. I think I want some pink. It's a because I can moment. Will it come out? That is the question. It came out a minute ago. And a little white Anita's metallic. Give us some clouds. Maybe a little bit more white. I do use GAC 800 by Golden, so I can leave my paints heavy if I want. And it's going to come in really handy for this one. I can tell you now. It's kind of cool. It's a little tough keeping the mountain in range, like it keeps disappearing. That's better, a little tinier range. I guess that's the way it's going to be. Is that paint? I tasted something on the end of my straw. Well, if I was ever going to have trouble with paint being too heavy, this might be it, but I don't think so. It's not the rule of thirds, it's the rule of halves. So, move my bottles out of the way. This is another one that looks like I could give it a little treatment tomorrow for whatever reason. Oh, looks like my bottom edge needs a moment. I do keep messing with the horizon just because I don't feel like I have a choice. If I don't do something, it's going to disappear. So that's a weird something that I just did. My off-day paintings. I like the purple mountains too, but I kind of like these just as much. Actually, don't mind if I do. I'm going to put some spirals in my clouds because I like spirals in my clouds. It makes it kind of cutesy, but that's okay because I do some cutesy stuff. Which reminds me, I have over 2,000 videos, and should you like to visit any, go to my YouTube channel and go to playlists, all playlists, created playlists. And if you can't find what you're looking for still, I have them all organized by topic and genre and by the 100 and easily accessible. So if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me and I will be happy to help you. I think I'm not going to make the same mistake I made in the last one. I'm going to put in a little tiny sun. And since it can't be red, well, it could be. I'm going to let it be yellow. Because it's cutesy too. So now we're good. Good to go. Tiny little seascape. All kinds of issues today. But I got it done. We've got a wave. Alright, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out my link tree underneath the video. It's got every kind of link you can imagine on there. Great shopping and my website and Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. Legallerist. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. Oh, that actually can zoom in far enough to actually see what I'm doing. I wonder if you could see anything I was doing. I think my head was in the way, part of the way. I apologize. But that's kind of cute. Alright, my email address is under the link tree when you click show more. So are my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe. Not that I used it in this one, but it might be there anyway. Please give me a thumbs up. Share my videos when you can. Watch them longer if you can. And when they come out is the best thing to help me out. Brain cramp. So thank you very much for all the wonderful comments that you give me and keep my morale boosted. And thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Make sure to check out my Amazon link. I've got 4 lists of goodies on there. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. And you can buy anything on Amazon, not just what I have on my lists. Plus, my 2 books are there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. I love you guys. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That's kind of cool. It's better in person, I gotta tell you what. I will see you guys anon. I love you much. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I post 7 days a week. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. Even if you subscribe, even if you ask for notifications, you should bookmark my channel if you're interested in what I do, because they don't give out notifications unless an artist is really popular, and I am not anymore because of some glitch in the system, in my opinion. But anyway, that's another story. So I hope to see you again. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.